Hey guys, welcome back to the Cure Back Pain. This is part 2. And we're going to be going into, right now, how you can actually take active steps to reclaim the mobility that you've lost in your lower back. And it's actually, like I've been saying before, not that difficult. There is an exercise that was actually taught to me by my coach that most people don't actually know about and don't actually use, but is critical to really opening up your back and just loosening it and creating some more flexibility and, more athletic advantage in your lower back. So what you want to do is hold your hands directly overhead, just almost like you're streamlining, straight overhead, and squat down. Now, as easy as it sounds, it's going to be pretty difficult, so you're going to feel in your lower back. What I want you to keep in mind is you need to aim to keep all of your weight in your heels. So if you notice you're going up on your toes, try and lift your toes up and just rest all of your weight on your heels. And you want to keep your knees behind your toes. That's incredibly important. So if you realize you can only get a quarter of the way down, that was me the first time I did it, that's completely fine. Hold that position for 5 seconds. It's going to be a little tight, and then come back up. And try and do 10 of those on top of any of your workout days. So however often you work out, just try and add that into the end of the workout or include it with your stretching. And you'll really see significant benefit. Another thing you can do is try and lighten the load on some of your squatting movements, whether that be the actual squat itself, or whether it be the deadlift, or clean and jerk, whatever it be. Lighten the load and really focus on hitting all the key components in your form correctly. And it's not the time to be cocky or show off about how much weight you can lift. If you're trying to improve the state of your back, you want to make sure that you're using a weight that you can really go to the full range of motion in. And that's going to be incredibly useful for you down the road, because if you're using your full range of motion, you're unlocking a new range of capability that you can later use to be able to lift more weight, which is why you notice most professional athletes focus a great deal on mobility and stretching and being able to access all parts of the body. It's another tool to your arsenal, essentially. So that is something you want to be sure you're maintaining. And then just make sure that you do just some standard back stretches, or which would entail anything with body weight squats, or just light jogs where you just do a light stretch beforehand to kind of warm up. In the next video, I'm going to tell you the stretches to veer away from, but the key part in improving your back is just going to be improving its mobility and improving the way you use it. So try that and check back for my next video, and last part of the series, I think. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.